In this video, I'm going to share how to add custom instructions to your account. Adding custom instructions to your ChatGPT account can save you time and make your interactions with AI even more productive. So, custom instructions allow you to provide ChatGPT with specific information about yourself and your preferences for using the platform. To get the most out of AI, it's best practice to prompt the AI a certain way each time. For example, one of the best ways to leverage AI is to tell it exactly who you are, what you want the AI to do, and what kind of response you are looking for. But having to repeat a lot of the same information each time would become annoying and time consuming. By adding custom instructions to your account, you won't need to repeat those same details every time you start a new conversation. Let's walk through the steps to set up your custom instructions. After you are logged into your account, access the settings menu by clicking on the icon in the top right hand corner. Click Customize ChatGPT. Once you do, you will see this pop-up screen. This screen will have two boxes. In the first box labeled, "What would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses?" Here you enter details like your role or position in the district, the subjects you teach, and anything else about yourself, like your overall teaching philosophy or teaching experiences, things you want ChatGPT to remember about you. The more detailed you are, the better and more specific your responses will be. You don't need to worry about making this perfect the first time you do it, because you can always go back and edit this later. That said, you do want to spend some time thinking about what you want to add to this section, because it will help make every interaction you have with the platform better. To help make this a bit more efficient for you, the document linked in the description of this video provides more details about adding custom instructions, and also provides the custom instruction I use in my account. Feel free to take what you want from mine and make your own. The second box asks you specify how you want ChatGPT to respond. Here, you'll want to add things like your preferred tone, formal, friendly, etc. The formatting style you prefer, bullet points, numbered lists, short paragraphs, any particular language or terminology to use or avoid. Again, I've included the text that I used when setting up my custom instruction, so feel free to take what works for you and then add your own preferences. At the bottom of the pop-up screen, make sure you check all boxes and turn the toggle switch on if it isn't already. Then be sure to hit save. Now you can test your custom instructions by just stating a new chat. Over the next few days and weeks, just observe how ChatGPT tailors its response based on your custom instructions. If needed, go back and edit these over time until you are happy with the general output you get when using the platform. This simple setup ensures that every interaction you have with the platform is more personalized and aligned with your professional needs.